must live, a person must survive. Sake of money, somebody tell the police you. Now, fair police be that.
So when he say form. Two. Now, I'm sure who are which is my more time about tea. Now, 2 on this kind of home. It means for this can be a Mutiana. Ade, Masa, Junior, Makuma Kureti. Ade, hey, Ade, I don't know, or Cassana, Mango Diana. Ade, Nimudo, make cast and now Cassana. Blah. Shamango no so na me hwe for more music Mike ka bi pa dem nim se balu se di
dear Maka Kamaka
ko ti me ha ni ka sem pa
Timango bra
ni ka sem da
dear Maka
me ka sem a say
ade
nipa no oba wo tu ne kakra ka bi a minu se ya pompi no se ya but me ka sem ya mu ni
ka be ba ne to ho asem so ma na obi na baby no so me
akoy master de bi edin kuma na so be so fo kwan bi so no o change asem na de
Maka
ka me
bi Maka
we dey ha samai so we don't meet sumai okay we dey tiger obolo tiger obato nzana arobato nza he ana so za we balu so muna obato nzana he the tiger obolo hey what's shoe crack ho wow wa na say
shoe no pile
hey, we all want to hear my one. I said, I'm in Chumama. And then, see, I no beso. I want to know. We have one now worried in a boy. What's my party? I'm a play with Bolo. Come you. Yeah, true. I don't hear it. Maybe. Small interview, Miss Ron. But I didn't answer obesity. Mama, my hola, wash. Hey, Biggie. Ala Biggie. Ala Biggie. Big bomb. Ah, big bomb. Big bomb. Big bomb. 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 Tiana, mama, Tiana. Ah, me ba tori audio Miss Ron. Tiana papa. Bomb class. Tiana papa Tiana. Tiana. Big bomb. Tiana mama Tiana. On piano. Ana Tiana di free from. On piano fuana. Eh, then no. Hey, no mumre. Ana bomb. Yeah, ana bomb. Yeah, do mango hono we. If you be an no come up. Ohene. Hey! That is movement to ha, I don't call rest now. Hey! Me must talk about that ball. Hey! And I remember you come here who me move. And now na the power. O power. And I did that dey question ma. Hey! I'm 116 grams of video. What you do? I know big. Ara big. Hey! Hey! Ma! That's one of pino. Ara big. Hey! Ara big one. Boogie Bon Chong. Biggie one. Tiger Biggie one. Hey! Sobolo. Hey! And one to Sabum Yami. Hey! Brother for you any. Hey! Brother for you any. Hey, me say what say? Masa uginache. Hey, Sobolo. 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 Alright, to what?
Man must live, a person must survive. Sake of money, somebody tell the police you. Now fake police be that. Oh yeah. AWURAMA. Sergeant.
Yes, sir, officer.
Why today you not report to yourself at the office?
Please, today I have an emergency of an attendancy, that's why.
And then you know you must to report 7:30. Yesterday you did the same thing and today you repeat the same thing. Next time you do that, I will punish you.
I didn't know the reason why she do that.
Please.
Every day I told you, say don't do that, AWURAMA. Why?
And every Pantang is a woman. He taken off the case. But still he come to office early. But you, I don't understand you. Why are you doing this?
I'm sorry.
My friend, I hate that. I hate that. I hate that nonsense. I hate that.
She say sorry.
Sorry for what? Every day sorry. You still repeating the every day sorry, but you still repeating the word. Why do you do it for me? Hate that nonsense, please. What kind of attitude is that?
Hello, officers. Greetings. I greet you, sir. Hey, I'm salute you, sir.
She respect the police.
Yes, I respect a lot. Yes.
I am also, sir.
I'm just saluting you, boss.
Don't panic.
Okay, I'm not panicking.
Don't panic. I like the way I will share and you respect us. We like your vibes.
I love you guys.
Nobody will arrest you.
The uniform.
Oh yes.
Oh, so you are vibrating yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. She's very good, and his name is Sergeant Pantang.
Okay, Officer Pantang.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one is AWURAMA, Sergeant AWURAMA.
Sergeant Rama, sir.
My pacho. Now be our Korea.
Officer, please can I ask you a question?
Ask me. Feel free.
I beg you.
Ask the police.
Okay. You said this
Sergeant
AWURAMA.
My pacho.
Please, is he a man or a girl?
Yeah, he's a biometric.
Pacho, the woman say they call police, you know. You'll be on me, son. Police and Cassandra many day.
No credit.
And I will not show so I will say my show.
No credit.
Yeah.
It's in a Rama.
Rama, okay. Sergeant Rama. I salute you,
No problem.
He's a double intercall.
Okay.
We do him surgery,
You.
so you have a double success.
Oh, so bad, yeah. No.
Yes.
Oh wow, I love that. Okay,
Yes.
Officer.
Bye bye.
We did some for now. You're by me. We are Berman, so I meet me chill.
Okay.
Can you hug me for the first time?
Oh.
Atuu. Respect the police always. The police will take care of you.
Okay, sir.
As a protection.
Okay, sir.
God bless you.
Okay, God bless you.
Receive it.
Amy, sir.
Go.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, boss.
Sir, I receive it.
It's part of the course. You are
Wait,
not coming.
he's better than a soft for a jagraja.
Hey, Meslau. Menene will beef. Men pedi away no. Men body didn't check. Don't never mention that man's name. Yes. He still see that's his shoe and we are still fighting for the shoe. The case is at the court. That man, I will deal with him very seriously. And I took the shoe. I tell you. Hey, Rama, hey, Rama.
Inspector. I salute you, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where are you coming from?
Coming from somewhere, sir.
You say?
What's anyway?
You see?
What's in a way?
It seems you were there.
One table of 400 small.
Expect I'm Pacho the room.
What's
No, we will shake.
Hey, come on, turn your back, let me see. Hey, turn your back.
When it's smooth journal, heights. Nanonso it's
Maza.
Hey, look,
Come forward.
You too much for say. Sir, read the name. We need no. Keep stop of that. And as a young man, who we?
Sir, the first time I mentioned that one, I stopped. Me announcement in I feel cry. Me call him.
How watch I read them? Hey, come and spell the fingers. Smell the fingers for me.
What's he spell the fingers? One can spell. What's he spell the fingers?
Hey, allow the police to do the work.
Yeah, my mama again.
Where's someone arresting him?
It's better.
Ha!
Yeah.
Eh. Take pija tade no.
Adi egu asi o na no odin.
Obeto we.
Me nua ba kwa fa de kwa adwuma na roba ba de da.
Rama.
Rama. Why you be awie?
Omanko. Mechi no. Kuma de manya kasa mechi de.
Eti jana na ye chi no.
Jana man nko.
Okay.
I mechi no with evidence.
Go, master. Fast, go fast.
At that time I'm come.
The crew money aban we media group. Why a mistake be a becho? Everybody you make arrest, you can arrest.
Am I? All correct, sir. Yes, sir. Where you are now? Send me all you.
Pacho, my is scanning.
Hello, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Sergeant Pantang.
Yeah.
Come to my scanning.
Okay.
Ojinem.
I'm also there.
Ojinem. Plaza Ojinem.
We are show.
W.
Then uncle.
You are kind of
Hey, turn your back.
Where's our kutuka? Yeah. Map no. It's a draw.
I draw.
Also aboku.
Also boy
We were jemo dum. Plaza.
And I tafo. Hey, madam. What the lances?
Who need license? Anna, oh boy, you are doing a prostitute work without no license. Why are you doing this? And then, who free never? Hey, come here. Why you don't respect police? I don't know what the police in Egypt know what you didn't.
Oh, Mrs. Mudimun come to my here.
It's a big come to me, chair. To who you choose, Yana? I'm not best attack you. Will you call for police? My very fucking man. You don't respect. My man scanning him. Scan him for me. Hey, stand there. Miss Cannon, no kobo on him. No kobo. Hey, my friend. Adore it. Let's go to the articles of the law. Article says section B. Section B. Why are you not taking worms, deworms? Oh. Do you know you are causing fear and panic and the air pollution? So now wait matata. Obi chuma. Nipa no asthma. Eborana. Wakuno. Do you know that it's in the law? Hey, arrest him.
Somebody there. 6 years in prison.
Hey, 6 years hard labor in the store.
Just like that.
Hey, Rama, Pantang, arrest this man for me.
Oh, my people agree to you. I don't come. This one a quarter media first presenting. Inspector AWURAMA. My people, you know,
always respect the police because of your disrespecting. Now the case is at the court, and you are taking the court to deal with the court. Now the case is not my hands again. I'll postpone the case. So now go back and prepare yourself and come with some huge something that can recount it or recover the case back to here. That's the only advice I can give it to you.
Officer, I hear. But officer, I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. I don't know even if you don't get policeman or police officer, it's a crime. I don't know.
It's a crime?
I don't know.
Let me show you. When I'm doing this, I have evidence. Let me show you. Article says, no. Listen, come forward. What is this? Read this one for me. Article says, what's it?
Officer, I want you to read.
Or say any community member who meet the police on the roadside or in a car without greeting or saying hi to the police must be proceeded to the court for 16 years in a prison with hard labor.
Especially train with
now train with 17 years.
17.
Yeah.
And then once
so go back and come back with some evidence.
Okay, Chief. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Papa, I'm making some trouble. Yeah, I'm going to find my police. What's it? I ain't a bomb woman. 7 previous son. Yes, you moja. And so you are quite training. Say you are passing a baby bomb. That's a mum. Yeah, you them run on so big team. Then I expect a catch on. One in now. That's my catch on. One in now. I remember the Sergeant AWURAMA. Mr. So more. Make sure it's time. At your time.
So they make a show the same room and go from our food wash and challenge. I don't know where you from. I send you kind of who has more betray you. Anything is unconscious.
Section 12. Section 12. That's a day 6. Polluting the air, fluorinated. It will cause damage to health. We have learned. Yeah, school. Yes, you are there in the law, in any crime piano sections. I will say be and we pull it out for you without looking at the law book. I put all this in my head. Wait, my body and I are white in it. Also, would die the black because it put fear and panic to children.
Correct.
Yeah.
Edikru, we didn't buy a milk cranny for me. We trim them share police for me. And the same bomb by a Sibinian police force or maybe Kruma Bashe.
Bubai wunti.
Mintish, me me who so much now from day. A young comedian chem come, baby. One of frame. Sad then a manchian. Manchian a cake no. Or say, my committee.
What did you also?
What's my committee? Say me do a manchian. I didn't tell manchian. It's against the law. Until we hear say, or Mamma come my coffee tea. Yan chivin kotum. no ma omumie ayi oba ba ko be ma ba ko asumi mu straight ma ti ma kwa pushim asem kura court a chese
omo de court
se man chia ne keke it's a crime for say one chia policeman
who nim emrani bi o ha bia wonnim keke na de source no bible cry wo yesu kan sire na suafo so mudu ba bia omye dey omo nchia ade ntra enchia eye mra eye force
the krumpa cho
na
omo no obi din komo iti mi se bia me ko chia kra bia ma ko de stable chenye ma mentwem kom ba bi
enchia ehia pa ite nipa bia wo hia wo bia na wachia you a free country grow so when obi nya asem na yeseti o police station na ade china hu nipa na ni nya asem se baako anchia baako a me na me nya asem na yeseti wu me no wanchia me a mitimi call me say re-arrest because wanchia me
wache me de makwa akotum me mpo ani clash me san ko chia
wanchia me a mitimi sa ko report ma ye be chiw because esumo wutrim nti so wo obi na wanchia na nipa na dwen se wo esumo wutrim ana wo hu so ye nipa sezi a me no tie sezi na yemfa ni saha na wote ni ba we obi wa na manchia na me twam kora me ban de gusa wa de asem na obeka
me mfiu beka sho
ade ntira
se wanchia me na
ade ntira ana wo mfi me yes enchia no meaning it has a meaning to every to actions you say actions speaks faster or louder than words me I don't trust words I trust actions. People can say anything, but actions can say everything. So what I say. They say the way almost court.
Oh, next week here almost I say something.
Okay, I will see what I can do. Me when they meet my so I feel no be catch anything. I'll consult them. No man no makasa.
But this is unscrupulous. It's very unscrupulous.
Uko catch almost
uko na me ka say na nchiro.
Uko ka we ya say police.
And uko ka me twemu akome baby. Na manchia. Say nchia kwa denkenye force.
In Chuko court, he say, why don't you greet her? But then I will say, Obuka say, Sana Obekano, uncalled for. It's not unconstitutional. It doesn't have any meaning.
The mate, to the maka, me chemona, Yashanaka, Yabia for.
Copy big account. Acceptance fee.
And man, one police.
Mr. Acceptance fee.
Okay, the mate.
Good. Ozi ekutwamu no yentwamu kwa
tibe say
omo no omo charge omo de say ya na se keke di papa mi da se osu ohun mobo na dia chem so that I
hear
okay
why
next time don't do that again respect yourself
Mate.
Respect the laws
Mate.
Respect policeman.
The sake of money, a people turn the first police. The lion! I'm your police, yo! Inspector AWURAMA! I be your inspector. Your general inspector.
You need to not between me. Anymore, no crap. Or cheer, because you're near the crime. Sebi, who share the part? And so, what's your young Kunipa? Sabi akoko crash ya yonko akoko no amana table music. That's what they are cheering. So, kona akoko duare a na tie mu no odia was no duare no. No aka cheni mi ase osube duare bi. Ere na wo share sabi yonko nipa. Akrom say aban crop police for. Police in the wo na wa chia no. Ebi kwa na wo kore bibi wo kwan no ga just sign. Wa chia no wo twem. Na tie say wo mu ne say bo nipa. We can't be children. We children say, "You're right. Boy, you're wrong. Why you? It's by our with them. Some more. Come go to them. On function. You see the CD. Need the fatal. Whom I want from mama. Sunday the tear. So me cry me crew and clan. You want ma? We cheer with the need the
So chief, now what's the final expression?
Me nyina say en no work me ni maka me nyesa adiwe ka me kyam so mafom na se de ye kan de bia no metimi ma ha say me ka ma ase me de sa akọ kwa metimi fa bibi ye de
so pa che se kwa this is the final case. The disputing is 2,000 and then the women is 2,000. So give us 4,000 to close the case. That's all. Chief, that's all.
Chief, I don't miss the wall. more than money. Nim pa coming yes I did. So me no ko wana se na o kan fi akọ makono drama na.
Inspector o kan se ma biso na won to. This wasam saba ebi wa so be se pacho. Utuetua. Ana ko ko onye.
Ene e court here.
So sir, how dey make cry my say. So don't make us up rather than start.
It's when you say, we 2,000. 2,000 say no, 1,000, 8,000.
That's right.
And one day, 8,000.
What's that?
If it's all that means
Hey, no.
We in from
If it's that disrespecting is 2,000, it's okay. 1,000 is okay. But the worms, no. You can't take 1,000 for the women. What? What? Do you know how many people that take effect from that deworming flash naming?
Please. The scanning alone can cost you a lot.
And this one was saying coordination of injection to the public. Just to do a lab test for the whole public for this infection. Because when you flashlight only one, it pollutes the air. Everybody who inhale it will get the disease.
Can get coccidiosis.
Coccidiosis.
What can I say?
For 500 account.
Sir. Oh yeah, and a bit no be on
Chief, you're from Coco.
No.
What is your phone?
Chief. A patch of Major of film. Hanky.
Chief. Because of you, you take it. Leave it. But every day you should come and report early in the morning, 7:30 p.m. For 5 days. We report it for 5 days. Say you say I could be and I could be in a fashion crew man. You be Jana wanna call. But
early morning and evening.
No, I said morning.
Okay.
You should report early morning, 7 a.m.
Okay.
Inspector Pacho.
Evening is 7
p.m. Pacho, man, sound to Papa we say. We are Indian modo what a woman. And what did you mean Musa Bassa? I thought I am because your more is yet seeing woman. Ain't me must be now be dealing with our woman. And you want Casa.
The chief be jamming and one of Casas in your chair.
But then Kofu be Brava, you money for any.
Okay, you can go now. But can you please sign here for me? Sign here.
Maybe I know bit.
Hey, you didn't know actually.
Okay, Chief, thank you, sir. You can go now. Okay, thank you, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, sir.
Police. The lion. I'm your police, yo. Inspector AWURAMA. I be your inspector. Your general inspector. If you see me, me gonna run. Inspector AWURAMA. Na me be the only inspector. Your general inspector.
Yeah. Pacho. Where so? Pacho. Some kakra.
That's it.
Pacho, can be going to and then Tassa Pacho. Just Pacho Baba and once more. Baba. When you more therefore, Mr. Wanquasso, Mentias yet that. Do you do your banner?
No, to was a custom. Ha! Why are some now can say?
The Pacho Baba, yes, and I make you. The Concord de Yellow. Messament Sasso, there be. Mo Bopum, Mebobuano. No be shins in your go, no to one among Debbie. Are they?
Concono, police phone number, Cromano. A man strong warning to stay away from my daughter. Want it, Debbie? And the police phone so by on TJ, Debbie.
Ah, Sunny Yoba, Sebi, or buy your bar.
No, what did you so say, where you will be, Bachai. Oh, Jesus, I'm running home. Me, I will not take the law into my own hands and then deal with him. You go to the police station.
I'm the patron matter. Oh, me no police station. You be okay, Alberto. Huh? He's too despotic and tyrannic. On a more, then betting them dreams a drone. Shouldn't baby show him something. Show him where the power lies.
Police. I'm your police, yo. Inspector AWURAMA. I be your inspector. Your general inspector. If you see me, I'm gonna run. Inspector AWURAMA.
I will show you where the power lies. Many money or so yes, me from your grow. Me, open the Kurano. Okay, what the water one year. Yes, I'm a say that. What yes, sir. You can't show up. No, you don't call our Yeah, now what's that? When you are, when you come, you are Cassian, and I go back to be. Who taught you that? Show him where the power lies. Show him where the power lies. Yeah, Sabi. When you are Cassan, what tea? We are brand to open, but I will show him where the power lies. Debbie, any pen trivia saying yes, sir. Yeah, many are bringing my wife. Yeah.
Pantang. Now say in your report be brave. I dare now we any child. A person may come up around. Officer.
Oh, very good.
Funny. What's the name? Why?
But when you woman,
Hey, my friend.
please, ma.
Stand here.
Stand
here. Keep quiet. Officer. That exercise.
Oh, chief for
Abrante. Do you know me?
No, please, me. I travel. I came this very far to my mom. Go for your
Massa. Chief. Rama. Pantang. One lucky boy.
Please.
Officer, due respect to patrol, why body be a chief didn't buy it.
Could you imagine, sir? Me as a spectator, me tremor and can say, at their voice with the Yemino. Obolo to as a mere gem, kind of 50 ways. Because I some boys with the money.
Oh, no, come.
Yes, now I was wearing mufti. So the ones that can recognize me, I'm a police inspector.
Oh, no, come.
Yes! It's the idea. Me view on my image, you know. So when you meet him, say no matter what, only stubborn boys, get the member office. It's way. The new IGP cannot advise me to leave this boy. If not me, I will leave police and this boy will come to police.
Officer.
Step! Bring your complaint. What's your problem? And there are some other man in my job. Boy, why can't call the officer? Steve, I respect you in this town. I don't want to get case with you. Talk to me. What's your case?
Inspector, the before any work for. Oh, but I don't call any before. Chief, your honor, I call away. The said boy.
But you can't tell them why I made before. Boy, in person, you wrestle, what damage boy. Me know we are. I'll go to the south. I will deal with this boy. Very massively. I call this a woman who say, I'm saying, my stomach is very soft. I saw.
I will pen and no. And I'm so better.
Dear Pamela, go away. Yes,
Make a pen or training.
What are you paying for him?
Patrol, them say my boy na e go.
Why are you paying for saying? What kind of disrespect is that? Pen away.
Jama boy na ye. Or the cost of all.
Hey, Pantang, where's the pen?
Police. The lion. I'm your police, yo. Inspector AWURAMA. I be your inspector. Your general inspector. If you see me, me gonna run. Inspector AWURAMA. Now me be the only inspector. Your general inspector.
Hey, I don't fear Papa.
Sorry, officer.
Oh. I don't know. Can you say Kichuka?
I can't do a bubble.
Oh, sure.
So what you say here? Me fear. Boy, me fear.
Boy, me fear. My you are say you're not here. The two are money let to na boy name pay nyane o. Rama Pantang. The two are mo mark edges no.
The Rama dey say
we yes, mo salon do feel no. Why?
No correct.
Me and Chiboy no again.
Be here Juma.
It's a very stupid so obi ba na ko share. E dem no need da. And na ta o na ta sa.
Officer, can I have you? Boy, wait.
My miss can go. Okay. It's one year dimension one. Yes, all right. I said, okay. I'm going to air condition for the day. Okay, you're about so. Because the oil calamity will cause harm to yourself. You are causing harm to yourself. Yes. Not to arrest this boy. Say, or to a man, she will do. Hey,
oh! Opinion, I do when you were doing my mistake. I showed in a power bay. Oh, no,
let the queer children.
And I showed it. Okay.
What's your name?
What's it? So that you did. So
the boat now say kayaku wanye migration obey anti-robbers American soldier boy be a smart drums who are you was here because you say okay so expect
enjoy you
okay
na so do obi a open you to one other na watching the panel
nipa fu ha no come oh come no come hands up against you at the court of law. Hassa, Pantang, AWURAMA, arrest this man immediately. Who do be Papa sent to you? And you are here telling me why the bad here?
He said I should come for money.
She said what?
I should come for money.
Money.
How many times you have to want to stay out from my daughter? Who's all your stupid boy? Officer, don't throw your hands. The case is at the court of the police. I'm sorry. At the text says complainant doesn't have the matter to touch the evidence.
Yeah.
Are you? I'm sorry. Very stupid girl. Why you not appoint your man? What you mean now? I'm not appoint your man.
Let's see.
What you mean? Hey, arrest him! Arrest him! AWURAMA!
You can't take the law in your
One time, arrest him! AWURAMA! Arrest him!
AWURAMA way.
Case we are fine, case to many other. AWURAMA, arrest this.
I tell you, I'll be coward. And I don't want to be coward. It's against the court of law.
Yeah.
I have to take you away.
Pantang!
I came myself.
Mama, boy, let him say Officer, take your daughter home. Evening time 6 o'clock. Let her only come to my office. For then I know I said why. Thank you so much. No, I have to go with you.
He said me.
I'll go with you. Go.
Panga no beko person don't tire. I no go sit make I die yo. I go find myself a job. Now I don't tell police yo.
Chief, you're never. It's the say behind your lock, you know. Now I can grab a try no some. I no say be no better no some. See we are not taking it from there. So your baby and your mom. You're telling no. Hey, keep quiet. At 6 section 12 section B. Anything you said here is used against you at the court of law. You hear? It's only kata be a kawa. Me a kwanada papa ji ajon. Wouldn't you rather more? Na abo say.
You brought on a mobile.
You run on a mobile.
Mobile.
It's what Nana.
Then I don't
Come on, hey. Put me to police into. Hey, bring the shocker. What's the shocker?
Hey,
I'm sent it here.
Yehovah.
Move your top. Officer, you can go. Biake, move your top.
I can't also so. Me I finish blast.
That's all. That table, that's all. That table, that's all. I don't want to shock you or damage you. Hey!
That way.
Shock her away.
na pese ye de
so kan ye ade mo erama be Miss Kania kuda to kuda se Miss Kania ni sisi eche ba we sa wa woge no wa woni that's the wa dre ni munyina aja wa dre ni munyina so your baby bia ma what any problem we obi
okoko to me na actually you and so
the heavy
such a
what never appears so could you man expect I would drink such water if the 5 liters how much is it 70 my kid respect us good let her come back and let's talk say now neighbor na wada roba mu de oye what wada roba pacho mu de oye yenja boy na
Debbie
if I'm going to meet you and I'm going to meet that cancer my 5 6 pacho in pass some of them
you know say it's insult to me you know the way they insult I want me say this na ni job akọ
na ye fashion
go lock him lock him stupid Rama Pantang lock him my lock him away okay me ko place me ko highway no so
ani so bere mi o
ade won di ina mo go nam ko be
owo fi haya
to passe on e ba be che to passe
o dana mi
me say dasa we dey da nipa be jane dey na we
on dane
onye na kwa train hey basa let's get back
okay I'm here
this no ngwa nipa o dan ayo ade
me see me so
unu kesi sa abaye ho
okay
you can't to passe o panic sa dey no we dey nko no abo na we
are me brofo ni na
Efiri. Okay. Ago.
Chief.
Yes sir. At the side.
You are there don't go for. Nemo akunya.
There be akunya is okay. Hey alert. Vigilant alert. Your honor branch be case tia sir. Abua be na blue on a phone. Tia baya in your police station.
Inspector say we said there's a kind of pain.
We now china now.
Maybe get chilling.
I say do what do you mean?
My number don't that.
So you okay?
Okay.
All right, see.
Na me pacho. Wo se ma aboa ba wi wo there bi.
Oberi ma blue.
Da bay.
Enre ya.
Na say announce say mbi aboa ma ne nkwa abonte. Aya na obi aboa na ma ne kwa abonte.
O sa aboa no wote.
Oteele ahoma be na chichire na ma otimete.
Ye se no kon ye o.
Ana wasa ade chichire na bi ahoma na te na wasa no asa chichire no. Na say aboa pa say
an offense.
Ultimate feed aboa no. Article 6 section 12. Feed your animal. Don't leave your animal home. I want to say on section I don't see
pacho. Abro no to say already what to da na say abrofo no we.
Abrofo no.
Aboa na abrofo ni na boy.
Na.
How many acres?
16.
Hey, aboa yo we abrofo 16 acres boy.
Oh.
Aboa na we
16 acres.
abrofo 16 acres.
16 acres.
What in
Officer betcho aboa no. Say ano ye betcho. Because aboa na we abrofo 16 acres. Can entwe kwa dia ma maybe
officer asema wo kan die ya me akwan be so ntina wo cheme
say wa abo akwa obi eburo for 6 acres na dia asem na court ayi nhwemu na dia abo na collab ni any surgery ni ahwe bududu wo
officer asema wo kan die
ma me scanning area
scanning abo na me
we no mpemo wa putu sa
pe pacho no correct
why you bro 6 acres really no I'm a train you be I'm a train akọ word how can it
na checking
aji kunkun wa
better oba
wawe
Enti wo timi nka so de meko.
Enti
na me timi Korea bu 16 acres.
Sa.
E ya abo no mum na arese, e sa abo no mum na mechina kode mo fa abo no kono pa de. Me sense office obi.
Yeah, that's good.
O de pa de, there be me timi sense office. Na abo no de mo fa abo.
But Sani abo no.
Arama kwai.
You watch our body, Miss Canny, I'm interested about my patrol.
Rama, Sani abo no.
It's what I make us Emelia'shour woman to meet Pantang, and I'm watching. Maybe
Pantang, Sani abo. Hey, okay, any more course with petrol, Sani abo. Now any more course, I'm going to get police in your panicking. Police new Sani abo.
Police na do we are 16 acres we.
Rama, start ko seven to Sani abo no dey ko ah.
You want chenko.
Even now, you look at it.
my animal course.
Ni rase o aboane ni ono no no blue aboane abi no blue.
Wait.
Sani ono sani. Shena aboane nyane o. No. Obi a wa ko training there. Aye na o say usu ade dey to say ayi. You fast. Shena aboane nyane, you fast attack.
But for people who are be move.
You fast. Maso no bobo, maso. You fast. Ha! Go somebody!
Hunger no go person don't tire. I no go sit make I die yo. I go find myself a job. Now I don't tell police yo. That be my personal business. I dey arrest, I dey collect yo.
But Rama,
money.
Inspector.
the drill officer, we know a very serious case.
Inspector say me.
Yes, no serious case because
I na
I just say can be called trainer, me officer. Can body tane. I was a drill officer. That's all. Let's go.
Except my animal husband. How training. Pantang no ye no na mo.
Banya. Ankoko de enko.
Let's go.
Inspector.
Fucking boy, ko we obi bro. Are you bro yi? Fucking boy. Let's go.
Inspector.
Hey. Take it for me. Go.
Wait.
Atuu 16 acres. Why? 16 acres. I just make your office. I just make your office.
What did he post?
Who the heck? I just make your office. What can I do say? Benjamin. What do you feel say?
42 years.
Hey! 40 say.
42. Who knows, sir?
Hey! Answer money.
Alright, 42 years. I was started doing food. What do you feel say?
Papa knew the jam.
Ojala food, how many acres?
Or 16 acres.
16 acres. A food can say how many acres?
17 acres.
And so I 16 acre 1 acre. And say. Okay. Bruce, before I how many acres? Hey, Bruni, how many acres? Okay. If you be now free. No. Okay, Article 16, Section 17.4. What is silent me concern? It's Mr. Benjamin. Well, 16 acres no Sabeka. But a baska. You make that so near you make jail abuano. On my pay for fun amano. Now, you 16 acres you cannot abroad. There the brewer, I buy me for half, so for half 50-50.
50-50.
I open the Sadia, Bayama.
Then you stay 40.
Stay 40 years.
Inspector Wadaroma.
Bet you one code your
Inspector. Opurisa.
I know Opisa. Eh.
Opurisa.
It's all down or that's so every. That's oh baby, oh dear, go you crack. Chewy and pool. Then the case the better so chewy and pool. And then the better. It's Rama. Jabwan locking money. Hey!
Oh.
Mr. Benjamin, only right say or the new persons what they say. Rama, Jabuano, lock your one mammy. Now when you crowd cover, you might have the mail. Rama!
Shazi. Kochi.
Rama.
Yabi yakwana okori abanchi.
some patch, you know what? We don't want to see. So, for Natalia.
What is that?
Would you need to with me? What?
The Masipi. The Masipa. We are the Sia. Agents and Sia.
Chief, if not by you, this boy will kill this boy.
You sentence.
There are 3 people who were laughing at me, but this boy laughing touches my heart.
Very bad. Very bad.
He has been serious. He get the words and he heard some song. This boy was leading them to sing some song for me, creating instant song for me, and without no record. Hey, sing the song to Chief to hear.
You better go to it. Hey, I said, "Baba,
And then the master carry some woman. Can't you hear him?
Yay, a full Bema as you say, Bem, Ubuluti.
Wow,
Ubuluti. Bema Tipeni, a fruit balloon, then two balloon. When 90 as of what I dear boy.
when you now?
And they sing the chorus. The back of people, they were in it.
Obolo. Share timeline on the Obolo.
Tree.
Obolo. Or therefore, Mr. Or definitely more.
Also, therefore, can't you soon when you do? And they're quite.
Twas sweet you.
Obolo, when you miss up, and I mean, P. Obolo, T. And 19. As for what I dear boy. Why you call, where you sharp. Foolish are poor. Remember, didn't movie. More for the Bowsy Bloom. A free book, Obolo.
See?
Hey, ma!
Give me the key! Give me the key!
I respect your loss.
Oh, Casaman, Chief.
Boss, when they were one, I can't want to.
Chief.
One, I can't listen.
Chief. Due respect, Chief.
Boss, my choky, every annoying.
Jama inspector na kasa wouldn't know. The before.
Chief, tell this boy you should respect the police.
That's all.
You tell him more one thing. Someone record their post here. This boy made jail in 40 years.
What's your small can?
Made jail in 40 years. Meant to so that.
We say patapana tabinya or the Belgian.
Very good.
Patapana tabinya is your
We don't even see now.
I'm a life penny.
Why do you disrespect me like that?
Maybe in the TikTok, I'm cooking.
Ah, but you guys have
IGP.
Yeah, officer. Sorry, sir. I'm on a meeting. After the meeting, I'll call you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I've listened. So one of the chief in this town come to beg him to arrest him. You said I should lock him back. Oh, okay.
Ma. Father, Mr.
Officer Chief Bacho, IGP said I should lock this boy back.
So you didn't get Chief.
Like you can talk to him.
Ridiculous, so we need to go, Mr.
I salute you, sir.
Bacho, bro, from one or thing, Bacho.
Yes, sir. Oh, with due respect, he's not going to repeat it. Yes. Yeah, supposing therefore assuming that the ball is at center of the middle of the park, Chief, whom are you going to pass the ball to? So I beg you. Yes, please. Thank you, sir.
I know I have a trick.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
My Rama,
Say 3.2 billion. Okay, sir. I chose him to 3.2 billion.
Hey, in the hospital
to release this boy.
Me and Nabi.
Billion.
On this milk fee.
Oh, if you do that, the boys will have the privilege to do it again. Oh. Take him.
Sure.
Pacho na ma ka san pa ko check pachi. Pachi for say.
Me pacho, me first anti atma go. Me na.
What's your friend
Dini say.
I was a pressure fa. Ma men ka san cho Ghana police. E say we need to no police for. What's that make a cho? Wait me and nanti bi no shi officer bi. So we now so officer. E no mu kro no. E first and last. What does that make a cho? Huh?
I don't know community.
Yes, ma. Pacho say.
I don't know community.
Pacho me who went.
Yeah, let's go.
Pacho, will I sign anything or
Not anything, go. I won't cancel the case because this boys can repeat it again. I won't cancel it. I'll hang in the case, so go.
He's on probation.
probation?
Probation for what?
My people agree to you. I don't come. This one a quarter media first. Presenting Inspector AWURAMA. My people, you know my name. Dila me bonamito. Man must live. The person must survive. Sake of money, somebody tell you police. Now fake police with that. Oh yeah. I say man must live. Person must survive. Sake of money, the people tell the false police. The liar. I'm your police, yo. Inspector AWURAMA. I be your inspector. You general inspector. If you see me, I'm gonna run. Inspector AWURAMA. I may be the only inspector. You general inspector.
Smacho, Wadina coupon. Oh, that is over me. Okay, Mate. What are you? Radia. A Radimimi ever shabby. Hey! Radina coupon. I quite have one for me, Jesus. Why about some data? We know me to come home. We join me. Hey, who are you? Hey, Blaha.
Now, I complain to the offer and the other boys.
Pacho Inspector AWURAMA. I have no idea about that.
Okay.
Hello, Nana.
Chief.
Me also. Akwaba.
It's not good for nothing, boy.
Let's see what that be so no one can tell you know the rules. And I'm Pacho AWURAMA. I can't remember.
JT. Pacho AWURAMA.
So my car.
Pacho JT.
Pacho Kenyan.
Who did he? It's still living.
Lay salad.
Let him on.
What is salad?
And I'm so Pacho. My team no me become AWURAMA.
No see there. Thank you.
Ah, you get a good
Yes, sir.
We'll be left alone. I can't know. Papa, Nana, why are you doing today? This is one thing.
It's okay, sit down. I document you.
And I'm new. Are they?
I document on them.
So,
Belly Bachelor.
beauty coming. I said, beauty now.
It's okay, you can go. Let
me honey kakana.
I show you the command.
Who's a comedy now?
Be a man.
Mr. Punk. What's that?
Comedy one. Come out.
All right.
Allez. I also carry anybody number what kind of reference. Accommodate. Go inside there, they don't have the blues. Why? Let's go inside. They don't have the blues here.
Wow, the guy who's in the
Call fast.
This is what I'm massive.
Go and sit down. Don't come over. Be with your mommy.
Nipa back on
That Nipa me, why?
I'll throw you the CMO.
I ain't check the corner. I need money in the corner. Pantang. Don't climb my temper. Finish so. Hey,
what I want to catch, what I want to catch.
expect us to say, you expected it, no. It's if it is so. Like the person can sit here. Don't know what one is have. Rama. Don't know what two of Rama. Be the corner two of us, nation, don't know.
If I expect a wage, you know.
Pantang. Be the corner, nation, don't know.
What's he say?
Do not be a media. My card,
So one check was someone show I walk kind of not chewing so much with them.
I need to be robbing mommy.
I'm your police, Inspector AWURAMA. I be your inspector. Your general
Officer,
if you
come on, you be put a party bomb officer. Come any problem. Say look at somebody else and you miss a few minutes here and better form. Get BTH. Now me to my to you, officer. The moon has many poor. Yeah, the share officer. A friend's a friend so the wine.
Say many poor.
Many poor is them look at say, Randy, get off.
Jesus Christ! You are the police station and nobody can run here without our notice.
Okay, Madam.
So relax.
I'm relaxing, okay?
Take it for me. I'm the inspector of this town.
Okay.
And every case is on to me. And I will solve every case for you.
Okay, Abba.
Relax, don't panic.
Hey,
my friend! Come on, get back!
Hey, what's your name?
This boy came inside here and make a report that he was passing through your front of your house and you knock him with a stick.
Okay.
Without no doing nothing to you, you knock him with a stick and the eyes.
Catchy, man, sir.
The patch one Roma.
What
did you be up on?
What did you be up on?
How did you be up on?
Me want to move.
No, who did you be up on?
Me dada baba me want to move asa.
Okay.
Me want to move asa. Aba me want to move.
Okay.
Be up on na.
Me dada bon na so me want to move.
Aya kasa. Oso di be up on ntika won tron to one sa.
Okay, offense.
No, Aba.
First offense.
Me say daya me dwane.
Tobo.
I'm born like
this. Was some trouble.
Oh. Relax, you are the police station.
I'm relaxing.
The reason why you came to the police is that you can't solve your problem by yourself.
Okay.
That's why you came to the police.
That's why I'm here.
So relax and talk to me.
Okay, boss.
Hey, if you talk again, I will slap you.
You were.
Venza, talk to me. What happened?
Aba, what happened is We said I am darling.
Your sprinter, Abai.
You see?
Okay.
Hey, Roma,
Okay.
About my woman, as soon as I my church.
No. You do it. You did it, Rama. What's Mama what?
Abai.
Okay, sit down.
Can I?
Continue.
Yes, sir.
Continue, Venza.
Abai me said, "Tell me home." Ntawo hwe me ho hwe ni okuro mi hwe da mi dwaye a se bi ma po naked ama pa ma ko ku mayi mu
Na wo ye dey
a ta se me san ni be ku mi da e hye ma mi wo bere mi dware mi gu mi ankasa ha na mi dware ma be mo hwe
ana ye dey
ko me ko tuna ha de ko yes say ha mi tu hwe ku mi do sa be ku na tum mi de we na hye fifi se na mi tu hwe na mi wo bere na
mi so you are naked
aba ma mi ko tuna yes say ma ko tuna me push
I'm coming. You need the real evidence. Because you take it to the court. The court, they just ask me that. What's the evidence that they're just naked? Or it's not good?
Yeah, I was naked. See. See.
Okay.
Have you seen the inside? Yeah. The red, the pink inside. Have you seen it? A more fair. Come on, I Papa, some of us see me, Daddy, and me who. Can I continue?
Continue.
Okay, I'm continuing. I'm me, Daddy, and I never who ye. I mean, once I saw people who say, "Open the guy home." Me the guy who so be me yeah but so yeah abana me te ho ku de na me peda me come me te chama se mi ya dia e ni asa mo distract me dodo
when you can't teach us the work. Continue, Venza.
About me peda me ni em hu sa kwabra ne pa ne teme da ya so asem me dali ye ni ma hu ye otu egunani so vision e woni tirim niam akofo tua ho ka ansa na ma hwe what na hwe me ba e na me nya ba na me di chenchi no na me di twene ene ekede aban it's my baby case.
I'm sorry. What is this? This one at the top.
Me ba ne ba. Esi hope you. Me pim so pa we kwanya sole no ne sole ana on dey dia abale bo am ho sa da no. Nipa no ya da ota eteta me bidale bio be fa me ho. Me ko papa aban. Me ba ne modu nti ba no susu. Na ho ame no na ne ba no. Is it that things? Nti no just say I dia ota here. Every time me dia ba born ani na ba nti wo dia mesla mo lock ma me na kan ba ke say obi aka me ho nti mo chana wa ba dia mo chini to ma me mesla mo.
Listen. Okay. The reason why I will lock the both of you is that you don't put the law into your hands and take action before reporting the police. Yes. Listen to me. No.
Oh, Casano, young Casas, which me I'm a boy. Sergeant Rama, Mahiti, Kawanutum, Inspector Casa, which me show
Lama, it's because I didn't show you the picture. That's why I want to beat him. Relax, I'll show it to you after he goes. I'll show it to you. Wait, I'll show it to you.
About so the couple, talk as only Rama.
No, me, what looking for what? This one. Yes.
Your boss will help you much not be the anti-say. Then she called him, why I say I pay. I don't know.
But on the phone.
You phone of that.
Say my hammer. What would I pay one?
You do phone. Hey.
Hello?
Listen. Oh, why are you picking somebody's call? Hey. Pantang.
What them?
The lion! I'm your police, Inspector AWURAMA. I be your inspector. Your general inspector.
Let's wait for my boys. They are at the court. On the case, Nico court. The court never damage, punishment or say the memo. And I say, if you jail you and I baby, let's wait for my boys. The boys in the bar, then you take it from there. Okay.
Simple name, Mama. I want to say, me, dear, a hammer parents. Odwan baako itimi we bro 160 acres a day then betimi asisa
bibi ni nipa bibi akọ papa enje kire de
ebikwa no bikwa so abakowe da and other beshe
yes it will be asoma wa bo an say sani abo na ompie it one wa kofa aba ti sanete ti ono no damage or pen or the beto so because nobody was there while the sheep was chewing the maize. You get my point? Rama, Pantang.
Sorry.
Welcome, sir. All right, sit down. Permission to sit down, sir.
And then they call you.
Yes. Judge Benebai, Judge Kuba.
Kumpala.
Kumpala.
Kumpala ne buy.
Eh, one case na the both of us have.
Oh, Dino.
Give me the file. Let me read it for you to see.
I don't know why.
Okay.
And I want to report from
Soften or report, soften or
a crown or report.
soften or report.
Soften, yeah. And also, I'm not glad in your plan.
Hey!
Or say a calisson.
Go say, Mr. Say, someone I may catch you. Only one some judge can. Or say, listen, or say. We will use the cause of the damage while the ship was chewing the maize to damage the person. And at the court of law, the ship cannot stand in the box to talk against me unless human being. So the owner must face the challenges due to the court of law. Act section 6, verse section 4, verse section 2, minus 6. Addition to the process must jail according to the disease and the cost of 16 acres to imprisonment in 16 years.
Inspector, I want a simultaneous equation again.
And I'm breaking it down.
16 years.
And the one. Or say, yet me for a buano, and the Gina Beckham, and judge and Cassa. And a boiling work knows for faces challenges any damage, you know. So a boiling to men to 16 acres of the damage there, and you are quite that a bank 16 years with hard labor.
So I dear, why 16 years, dear?
Yeah.
Oh, from
one year,
What are you talking? What are you saying? Let's go.
there's any problem there, and I make sure so no case de my year. I'm case I want
to make a simple judge.
Let me judge Akasa and tell me I don't mind the passes. I'm a patch of financial money. Look.
I said, your mom be that the me and ba ma di.
I said, "Child court." Until the town has a problem. You want to knock you?
It's my back.
Coach Nabla.
it's not what no man is saying.
What do you castle?
When you're away,
Cobbler.
inspector, how many time I say, Dino, it's now when you be or bet you damage you.
Rama, don't advise.
I know my boss.
Don't advise him.
And I saw for the dear.
So for the dear. I know about near camera.
Chief Pantang Darcy.
Thank you so much.
To the job was
I'm not one of a so man I call.
It's in the work now.
Inspector, do we have minus equal? Oh, shit. In sooner day, show down. We fully go up.
I was there and you rest since you think we arrest. I will meet you. To move our camera plans and you may say, back a full attack. Why? Oh, that I cried and said, and then also.
Go be around the society by a news wedding.
This may be a patrol.